Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. These are a set of 4 rims. They are polished and clear coat, so that's the rims that were on a 2004 Commerative Edition C5 Corvette, and they are in good condition. I just cleaned them up. I did not find any cracks, actually almost no curb rash. There might be a little tiny bit of curb rash on one of them, but really good condition. Let me give you a close-up. And these are speed line. Let me give you the specification. There it says speed line, if you can see that. The fronts are 17 by 9.5. J54. 54 is the offset, I believe. And the rear is 18 by 10.5. J by 58. So I'm selling these as is, where is. In Southern California. I'll put a price on the posting, and it's on you for shipping and handling and insurance if you want them sent to, I don't know, Uzbekistan or someplace that's not in Southern California. Otherwise, you come and pick them up. Give me a PM for the pickup information. See you later. Froggy out. Bye-bye.